everyone, this is Coach Gabi, and today I will be talking about why your LinkedIn account is restricted and how you can get it back. Okay, so I've had a lot of people come to me that their LinkedIn account is restricted and they are having issues getting it back. Well, getting your account back, it's very easy, but first of all, let's look at the reason why your account was restricted or why your account is restricted. Before I continue, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share with your friends that might need this information. Okay. Why is your LinkedIn account restricted? There are many reasons why your accounts can get restricted on LinkedIn. It's just, it happens everywhere, even across other social media platforms. Just that LinkedIn hold its user agreement and community policy in high regards, and that's why I would advise that you read the user agreement and community policies before you start using LinkedIn, or you find yourself using different kind of automation tools on LinkedIn. All right, so let's dive into the reason why your LinkedIn account gets restricted. The first thing is maybe you have an unusual large number of followers or connections in a day or within few hours. Let's say you have 500 connections around 2 p.m. at a time, and in the next 1 hour or in the next 24 hours you have over 2,000 connections just like that. That gets kind of suspicious, and LinkedIn tends to restrict your account just to be sure that this person is not trying to hack people's account, or this person is not a scammer, or this person is real. So it's just a normal thing. So LinkedIn tends to restrict your account just to be sure, and if you can just follow the steps to recover your account, that will be very, very much easier. Well, I'm going to that very soon. And the second reason why your account can get restricted can be that maybe people are reporting your account for abusive behavior, or for spamming, or for inappropriate behavior. It happens when people keep reporting your account. Subsequently your account can get restricted. So you have to make sure that you have good behavior on LinkedIn. You don't just send different kind of messages to people. You are polite in your conversation, and you avoid being reported or blocked, or being reported to LinkedIn, right? And the number 3 is when you try to create 2 accounts on LinkedIn. Trust me, when you are trying to create a second account, it's going to affect the first account, because people will think that LinkedIn will think that somebody is trying to compromise your accounts, or somebody is trying to hack your account, or something like that. And that's why I don't advise people to create another account even when their LinkedIn account gets restricted. I don't advise, because immediately you get the first account that was restricted restored, is going to get restricted back again. And if your account is restricted right now, this is just what you need to do. Don't create another account yet. I'm going to give you step-by-step ways by which you can recover your account. But creating more than one account can lead to your account being restricted. It's very, very important. Don't create more than one account. It's a kind of illegal activities as regards to the LinkedIn policies. You don't create more than one account. Stick to that one account. Even if your account is an old account, you've not used it for long, and you just want to start using it, you can just optimize your profile and you revamp it, and trust me, your account is going to do well and grow fast. So don't create more than one account. Don't create more than one account. When LinkedIn detects this, your account gets restricted. No matter the number of emails you open and all that, LinkedIn will still get you, and your account can get restricted. Trust me. And another reason is a kind of automation tools that that, let's say you are trying to get people's contacts, or you are trying to share an information, or messaging tools, all those kind of automation tools. When LinkedIn detects it, they can restrict your account. They can put your account on restriction. But if you have a valid reason for the automation, just go and read the company, the users agreement and the community policies. There are ways by which you can use the automation without getting restricted. Okay, so these are the reasons why your LinkedIn account might be restricted. So how do you recover your LinkedIn account? The first thing to do is to log in into your account. Yes, fine, it's going to show that your account is restricted. So by the time you log in into the account, as you can see, by the time you log in into the account, then you click on verify your identity. Then they want to be sure that you are real. They want to be sure that you really own this account. They just want to verify your identity to be sure that yes, you are the real owner of the account. So you have to submit your ID. It can be your passport, your international passport, your driver's license, either of these of these options. You can submit them, then you'll be asked to snap the front and back, and then by the time you submit, you have to wait for like a week or more before your account gets restored. But trust me, you have to be patient. Once your account has been verified by LinkedIn, you can be rest assured that your account will be restored. I've helped a lot of people to get their restricted accounts recovered, and if you follow this step, trust me, your account is definitely going to be recovered. And I hope these tips help, and I hope this information is valuable. So the precautions to take to avoid your LinkedIn account getting restricted: number one, don't create more than one account. Trust me, stick to that same account. If your account look worse right now, you can just reach out to me. That's my mail. Just reach out to me on how you can revamp your account. And trust me, I will take your account to being the best account. I've done it for a lot of LinkedIn accounts. So if you don't know how to go about it, just reach out to me. The second precautions to take is don't send over 100 connection requests in a day. The minimum that you can send, that is also advised by LinkedIn, is 20 to 25 connections in a day. In fact, just stick to 20 connections a day. You can only connect with 20 people in a day. Don't exceed that number to be on the safer side. So number three, avoid using automation tools all the time. And if you must use automation tools, try to, check out the user agreement and community policies to be on the safer side. And number four, please don't just chat people and start sending kind of abusive messages or inappropriate, illegal things to people. Stop sending your nude pictures and all that to people on LinkedIn. If you get reported, if you get blocked, and and you are detected, you are going to be restricted. And before they can release your account, it may take longer because of because of the reason that is attached to yours. So be on the safer side. And lastly, just be nice to people, share valuable content, and trust me, you have better testimonies to share. All right. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and please share with your friends that might need this information. I remain Coach Gabby, and I want the best for you. Bye.